오지근라뇽에 점대에 전점 대백년 주동년시 독숨년시 산제 면제라 빈도라이 웰라 차체로 지진남과 내바단 도와 지진의 요가 디시다니 내 로에 동년세와 쇼 Hello everyone, Namaste, Trashidile. Here I am Dr. Tara. So today I give you very unique home remedy for free. Okay, so whenever I'm loading in YouTube some kind of the home remedy methods, these kind of the methods not for the kind of the useless. So these all kind of the methods I'm researching myself. Okay, so after I get very benefit for the result, then I'm telling for you all for help some your problem. Okay, so today I'm showing you one very unique we can say also Ignishani Doshigari, like that. Okay, so many these days, so many people they get so many issues, different issues. So our whole world's doctor they say some kind of the calcium deficiency, some kind of the rheumatic arthritis, some kind of the ligament kind of they're telling you different of the reasons, whatever. Today I show you this method is very helpful you. Just you check it. Only you used in home. Okay. Also I show you here one my experiment. Okay, just you do it. If they have wound, then don't do. Okay, otherwise you can do any kind of the issues. First, so many people these days, young, especially for young ladies, and they get in the, especially in Northeast, kind of the outer station, USA and Europe and any kind of that area. So many people they are doing hard work. Due to that, they get many problem in the finger joint pain. Morning when we wake up, they get little stiff and uncomfortable feel in mind, but they have not serious issue. This is kind of the beginning of rheumatic arthritis. That time, if you do this, what I show you, this method is very helpful for you. Definitely, I tell my 100% tell you. Okay, so just you feel, just you press like this, you get pain. Just feel like this, then no pain. Just feel like this, press. If you feel some finger, if you not pain some other fingers. So those pain fingers, you can just do that. It's very helpful. Okay. Also sometimes whenever the people say, I get pain here, your rest, you can do also there. Also tennis elbow. Some people they getting painful, just you try like that. Also sometimes when we move to our hand, shoulder uncomfortable, you can do this also. Okay, and some people get in the neck area pain, uncomfortable, stiffness, just you do it. It is beginning issues, any kind of, maybe it's kind of the cervical beginning, maybe it's kind of the vertigo beginning, whatever, you can do this. It's very helpful for you. And one of two main things, many people they get knee pain, you can do for your knee. Also, one of the biggest issue, many people, or gentlemen and ladies, any kind of the people they get early morning when they wake up, when we sit long time on the bed, on the seat, then suddenly we wake up, then we get the ankle pain, huge pain, shooting pain, few minutes. After that, if you work continue, then after that it will be released. That issues, you can do that heat treatment. This heat treatment, tower heat treatment is very helpful. you do best only do night time. That is best solution. If you have no nighttime time, then you can do daytime also. Okay, this method is very useful, but don't use very hot. Just you bearable on your body whenever you different of the our skin senses. That is little bit different. Hand and towel and feet little bit skin thick, so you get little bit warm. In arm and neck, shoulder, their skin is little thin and sensitive. Just do little bit cooler. Okay, don't do very warm, very hot. Just try yourself bearable. It's very helpful. Okay, and during this after treatment, this method home remedy, then little bit you control your foods, sour foods, any kind of the orange. If you have any kind of the joint issues, especially finger joint issues, like in allopathic doctor they say rheumatic arthritis, if they declare for these issues, then any kind of the rheumatic patients, you avoid mango, orange, curd, lemon, these four items, like fermentation food, any taste, sour taste, salt taste. These salt taste food is very harmful you. So you just 50% just avoid. You can use little bit, but don't use too much. Maybe your favorite food, right? Okay. So please share it and please subscribe my channel. I always helping you kind of the no need any painkiller. Painkiller is killing for you. Okay. Thank you.